I think someone has it out for me. Here again, I'm ready to go, and, yeah. This is really getting ridiculous. But you know what? I think I'm gonna try something anyway. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to expose with the ultraviolet light source and see if something can come about. Now, I know this is gonna be something that ain't gonna work because I've tried this method before, and each time it was a fail. But I have changed a few things, so I'm gonna try it anyway. And I really have no choice because there just is not enough light outside to do it in the way that I would like to do it. So I thought to use a silver reflector as my background, and I most likely will add silver reflectors on each side of the subject just to add a little bit more reflection. I am using a 50-watt light, which really isn't not a lot, so I am using silver reflectors to see if that can pull in a little bit more. You gotta be kidding me. After setting all that up, look at this. There are still clouds in the sky, but it's worth a shot more than trying it with the UV light source. For the developer, you're going to need potassium ferricyanide, and what I'm going to do here is make a 5% solution. I am making this on a total volume of 250 milliliters, so I'm going to measure out 12.5 grams of the potassium ferricyanide. And now moving on to the fixing bath. For the fixing bath, you will need citric acid, and I'm going to be making a 3% solution. So I will measure out 7.5 grams of citric acid, and also here I am working with a total volume of 250 milliliters. Okay, this is part number 5. Let's see what's going to happen with this. So here is the potassium ferrocyanide mixture that I made. And here is the citric acid. I'm going to do a little switchy here. All right. And now it's time to see. You know, I'm not going to lie to you guys. The first 30 minutes or so, I forgot to remove the slide. So let's see what happens here, guys. So this is the potassium ferrocyanide. And oh my God, you're kidding me. Has to be in for about 1 minute. Let me show you this, guys. Look at that. Holy smokes. Okay, so that's about 1 minute. And now we're to put it in the citric acid now. Okay, I made a little boo-boo. I should have rinsed the print first before placing it into the citric acid bath. Citric acid is to help clear the highlights and also removes any excess potassium ferrocyanide. I'm just going to rinse off these tongs. And I'm just going to rinse it in some plain water. I'm sure if I had done this right and probably had it exposed where the sun was at its peak, there would have been a lot more detail. So this is pretty neat. So I think I've made quite an advancement here, and hopefully in part 6 it'll be a winner.